everyone, welcome to the weekly review of gold for the first week of February. What we are expecting on gold this week is a down move. As you can see, I'm on the weekly time frame, and every week we have lower tops on gold. Even after we had this push that the price tried to break out from the downtrend, it just rejected and made a lower top. Okay, so we are clearly on a downtrend. The next target will be 1600, around this number 3, which will be our third wave, the impulsive wave. So on the smaller time frame, look for the best entries. I suggest go into the 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes for the entries, smaller lots, and look for the sells for the down move. Just a matter of patience now before the drop. Okay, see you next week.